Welcome back to another video on this channel. I'm on my mum's gaming laptop for work, but I'm right, sorry about the birds in the background. Sorry about my brothers, they're filming currently. Make sure to subscribe. We're playing some Roblox because my PlayStation broke, so we can't play Fortnite. Yeah, I might seem like a Roblox name. Because my brothers play Roblox. I hate you. Hey.
Don't dare say Roblox pets, or you'll get some fist.
Go. I've got currently using gaming keyboard. I could use the keyboard on the laptop, but one of the keys is broke, so I'm not going to be using that. So I've plugged my own gaming keyboard in. Change this colour. I'll probably do a review on that. It's a what's it called? AULA. And I've also plugged in my gaming mouse rather than the gaming mouse that's on the mouse that's on the laptop. It's also AULA, and that changes colour. It's got keybinds. It's got keybinds and everything. So yeah, I was playing this earlier to unlock quite a few stuff, to be honest. Go on. So yeah, I've unlocked loads of stuff. Settings.
Why would I do that?
So the was invisible.
Oh, it's got scam.
So there will be Roblox videos in the future.
I got scammed so much today, guys. Who scams people?
Wait, Jordan. Archie, go on.
Wait for the video. Why don't you this out?
So yeah, what?
I gave him a really pet there. Look. That was my first ever pet.
I've got
Books.
stuff
In the void.
Just that stuff.
Where do we live? I never even know evil boy, by the way. That's so weird.
I've got kind of good pets.
I'm going to show my brother because he wants to got the black
Guys, and Jordan, go movie.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Whoa.
I don't know what he's talking about. I'm going to send it over here and invite him.
Oh my.
Void jumper.
Wait, where are you?
You can't talk to me right now.
Is this my YouTuber's videos?
What? What the mo? Sorry about the language. Well, who scams people?
Right, sorry about that.
Hi guys. This isn't really a general video. I won't understand this video.
Oh my.
We're not open egg video. Yeah. That's an open egg video.
That's Jordan. Archie, you can't even press record.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Ooh!
Hi guys.
I just got the hell of a jacket. That's a bit weird. Sounds a bit weird.
Okay.
That's
Jordan.
I've got all the pets. I only need 2 more pets in this, and they're so weird. Look what I need to get, Jordan. Jordan.
Hold on, guys. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, let's move over here.
No.
Oh no, go. Oh no. Look, he's right off. Jordan.
What?
Where
are you? Come to the bottom.
Jordan.
What?
Right. Look.
Oh my, I'm not trading with you, man. Go away.
Jordan, hold on, guys. Where's Max? Go and trade him. Go and trade him. Press. Nobody trade you now. Okay?
I could see the better on that roblox. And I'm just going to know what it's all about.
Jordan, look what I need to get now. I only need
you. Come here.
Okay, I'll come here. Look at these two rarest pets. These are like the two rarest pets in the game. I haven't got all that. I've got all wolf pets. Pets though. Pardon. Why did I do that? My brother got a car. Ooh. Oh, it's so weird.
Oh my. Come to the very bottom.
Oh, got another hell dragon. Not bad. Buy one more for good luck. One more for good luck. That was so uncommon.
Hey.
I'm coming. Calm your horses.
I've told you about 5 times.
Yeah, but I was just opening an egg. I'm here. Do you want to trade?
I ain't got no good to trade.
You don't need to trade. Trading
All
on.
my pets are shocking.
Yeah, I'll give you a hell dragon from the.
Is that good?
Yeah, look. It's from the last egg. Look at this.
Yeah, trade it now.
So turn trading on. Turn trading on. Done it. Okay, where is John? Shoulder. Set. Shoulder again. Ready up. Firm. Please wait for to progress.
Alright.
I'm gonna try this off because I don't really need to know what to say. How are we into this? I don't feel wrong. Oh, see, you cooked that pet. So it looks
I
like
can't even use that.
I'm gonna cook one of them pets. You only need to do one.
Where's the rare one that you just gave me?
The hell dragon, the red one. Yeah?
Okay.
Look, you're not a noob. Kind of are, but making hair. But you still got the hell dragon. It's not the worst.
Archie.
I'm doing a YouTube video with you.
Yeah, don't come in mine.
But it doesn't matter.
Alright.
No, the pizza house.
Let's get on with some fortnite.
I don't know what to go on.
Press him. Right, end the video now.
Oh. Need to be recording on here.
Yeah, I was just doing that.
We'll do some parkour because
I should have did a live stream. Let's go back in the sky. Oh no.
which one looks good? We'll go with that one.
Yeah. Let's go back in the sky. Wait.
What am I doing?
See, look at this guy. So what he gives me? Did I don't like these.
What am I doing? Weird.
Look at all
What
the
am I
little
doing?
pets. Take this out.
Your doo-doo. Your doo-doo. You can just walk across.
Yay.
How easy is that? Oh.
See what pets he gives me?
Ooh.
Not bad pets.
Why is it like it's the farm?
So no. So you have to really
Oh, you
laugh.
can't touch the white. Okay.
He's recording right now as well.
Oh,
Say
my.
hi. How old are you?
Want to say hi.
Goodbye. Go.
Oh, this is my YouTube video, so yeah. Subscribe to me.
Sorry about that. Oh. You can just walk across this. What are you doing?
Holy purple rock.
Ha! Wait for my hacker. I can just walk across everything. Come on. Oh my, move out of the way.
That's it for this video.
Can't tell. Your doo-doo, just walk across it. Just walk across it. Oh. Your doo-doo, man.
Please subscribe. To know on roblox.
Yeah.
If you want to know.
Do you know when I'm playing Roblox on my YouTube video?
Yeah.
I'm doing another YouTube video as you see because that isn't all red.
Wait, I might give these like. Let's do both videos.
And I'm going to play Roblox on my YouTube video.
What do you want?
And I want,
trying to film
Look at this
and
one.
I want the thingy at the side of the screen like that, like you have.
Oh my, I don't know. I don't know how to do that on PC.
Here we go. I bet he's gonna press ready.
Oh my.
Look, I knew he would do that. I bet his dream was coming true. I don't really need this. It's like to look like the most comic pair.
Alright, one miss. Right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick video because I can only do 15-minute max on this thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment down below what we should do. I will be doing more Fortnite videos and other videos soon. So yeah, like, subscribe. And,
He gave me
yeah.
all his specs. There's no need for
Right.
him to do that.
Subscribe.